site. When we came in, we took that nasty ass dip down there. And now we're trying to find a better route out when we go. Somewhere along the line, we bent the snot out of our stabilizer jack, one of them, on the back of it, just the passenger side one. But it doesn't look pretty. But this is just open land and people just come and park. Wherever they have a lot of spaces marked off. I'm not sure if they did that or the people who were staying there did it.
Okay, I don't know where he cut there. Because it was back there. No, it was up here. I walked all the way up here.
People just living life as they decide to live it. And we find ourselves privileged to be amongst those people. What about that road? Or can't we get through that road? Is this one not so bad?
I'm looking. This is where he came out.
Oh, this looks a lot better than the way we came in.
Yeah, it's not quite as steep up and down.
So we kind of went on the fringe of Quartzsite, so we're not right in the middle of everything. I hope we can get out that gate. Oh, it looks wide open. Look, there's people parked back there too.
This must be where they're setting up the dump stations or something.
Oh, I wonder. They're supposed to be setting up an 8-lane dump station somewhere around here. And this might be the spot. Big bus. People just live. 2 ambulances were parked over there the other day, but I only see one right now. Oh, there's the other one. I guess that red was pulling my eyes too much.
So I only see the other side. Do you want to go over there first?
Yeah, I want to get rid of that
Garbage.
Oh, they got a nice little sectioned off area.
That seemed easier and better
Yes.
to go in and out of.
This is just one section of this. There are 4 sections to the Quartzsite. And we're going to the other side now so we can toss our garbage and get some water.
That's our previous path. You want to show
Yeah.
me this?
That's our previous path, which is, you can't see the bottom. But I think we had watched a YouTube video and decided to go check out that place for camping. And that's where we bent everything out of shape.
Tom Wells Road.
Tom Wells Road is in pretty rough shape, and all the campsites there are just covered in glass. It's ridiculous. But this is just, this looks like there's all 4 sections have this check-in area. And you can buy the permit here, but we went to where? Yuma.
BLM field office.
Yeah, BLM field office. Which was not a pretty fun ride. It was a horrible ride. Horrible.
Next time we'll buy it online.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh. Oops. Just nothing but campers as far as the eye can see, and this is only part of it.
Ooh,
It-
VW bus. Show the VW bus.
Doesn't even really hit until after Christmas, which will be next weekend. Can you believe it? It's December what? And nice. And just beautiful, beautiful. The sun's out. It's a little chilly here, but not like you guys have it.
People sleeping
In
tents.
Minnesota.
A lot of tent people.
A lot of tent people. Oh, that's one of those nice Outlander camp tents that where you can put the wood stove in it and hook it up and everything. Those are nice. And we're just traveling in. We have to go a little ways.
There's my access.
There's your access.
So cute.
I wouldn't mind having one of them if they hadn't jacked the prices up like over double. It's ridiculous. Can't even get a used one nowadays for less than $90,000. Craziness.
Getting all the produce off on the side.
People with their e-bikes.
Yeah. Awesome little e-bikes.
Yeah, I want an e-bike. There's a little scamp.
We could tow our waste container behind the e-bike.
No, it's not. It's a casita.
Casita.
Looks like a scamp. They're just in a van. That's a short one. Oh, he's got a tent out there. Or is it a toilet tent?
No, it's too short for that. There's just a tent.
There's just a tent. You couldn't pay me to camp in a tent anymore.
No, we're way too old for that.
Oh my God, I was too old for that at 30.
Oh, look at that guy in the pose.
Oh, little Christmas decorations out and about. Big whole people with their... Where the hell am I? Oh, they're four-wheelers.
Water first or garbage first?
Let's get rid of this garbage, please. Right up here is where we go to the dump station. There's the dump station line. Because right now there's only 2. And then right here is the dumpsters. And then up there where that van is parked, way up there is where we get our water. And just take a look. God, somebody's really patriotic over there. Flags galore. Of course, they're obviously rich. Well, look at that Class A. I mean, that's something. Oh, I guess she's getting the garbage today. Woot, woot. I win. And this is just number 2 of 4 camping sections. And they're all pretty much like this. And they're all pretty well packed already. Thank goodness we're like way out on the edge. And we're gonna go over there to get water. And then we'll show you what quartzite looks like in town.